He's a fake. Ashton Hall tapes his nose and mouth at night, but there's one massive mistake he's making that could be seriously detrimental to his health. Look at this before and after of when I started mouth taping. I've gotten way better sleep, a really sharp jawline, and just better facial structure overall. But the mistake Ashton Hall is making is that he doesn't use a brand of mouth tape that's made of silk, so this can really irritate your skin over time. That's why I went with this brand Snore, because the materials they use are not going to irritate your skin at all. And they're the only company I've found that come with 30 of these nose strips for completely free. If you guys want to level up for 2025 and improve your health, then I dropped the link below.